Hi guys, I'm Aditi and I'm from Groww. What are you currently studying?
I'm studying second year AIML.
AI?
Yeah, AI.
Wow, my theme for this Vox Pop is AI. Do you think ChatGPT can replace your teachers?
Probably, maybe in years. It's just computers doing all the work.
Oh, got it. What do you think?
Staying relevant.
Sorry?
What was the question again?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
I really hope it does because my teachers are not that great.
Oh my god, imagine if they see this video.
Teachers, I don't know.
I think most probably they can because teacher doesn't know a lot of things.
या उन्हें कुछ नहीं पता.
हाँ बहुत मिस्टेक करते हैं वो लोग.
कैसे? Can you explain? I'd like them to.
Oh, that's interesting. Do you want to tell any particular teacher? ये तुम ना उधर हो गए. यहाँ पे कैमरा उधर है.
No, not any specific teacher, please.
So have you ever used ChatGPT to do assignments?
I hope my teachers don't see this, but yes.
We use it every time, literally every time.
Literally every day we use.
In spite of knowing we're gonna fuck up, we're still using it.
तुम्हें डर नहीं टीचर वीचर देख लेगा तो.
We aren't afraid because teachers already know that students are taking leverage of that.
यार तुम डॉक्टर कर रहे हो यार, ऐसे डराओ मत हमें. तुम इलाज करोगे यार. गाइस लिसन, ये चेहरा आप देख लो. अगर ये बंदा डॉक्टर बना या कुछ भी आपका इलाज करो तो इससे मत करवाना. ये बंदा ChatGPT यूज कर रहा है अपने होमवर्क के लिए.
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है?
Okay, let's say if in future, if there are robots and if you get a chance to date a robot, then would you like to explore that option?
I would give it a try. Yes, obviously.
Bro!
Perfect, come on. Maybe robots will be perfect, right?
It's weird.
I wouldn't. I don't think any of our game is going to be so bad at any point that we don't get a human being to do it.
I guess with my luck, that's the only option I've got. I don't think any girl would fall for me.
टूटा हुआ साज हूँ मैं खुद से ही नाराज हूँ मैं.
Not interested, no.
Okay. What if that robot looks a better version of your crush?
I don't know. I guess.
प्यारी समझ गई.
If I'll give you two options, 1 million followers or 1 crore in cash, what will you choose?
Cash money. 1 million followers, cash.
1 million followers.
Give me followers and then I'll make that 1 crore.
Ah, good.
Followers.
Why followers?
Yeah, get me followers. I'll ask 1 rupee from each of them. I got 1 million, right?
Yeah. 1 million is 10 lakh.
Yeah. I'm okay with 10 lakhs.
Yeah, because nowadays social media is growing and you make money based on the number of people who are following you. So obviously,
So with more number of followers, we'll
Yeah.
keep getting more money.
Exactly. If I have
with
more
that.
followers, I can start a business and I can reach to 1 million people all together.
1 crore से भी कर सकते हो business start तो. 1 crore भी बहुत.
Audience, right? For business audience, the customers are important.
I would pick money over followers because
money.
that
Why?
The money work for you.
exactly.
Buy the followers.
Plus, we can invest in stocks and
Exactly.
grow.
Money makes money. That's the whole point.
When we'll get followers, they are going to monetize it.
To put in the effort, to do all of that stuff. We already have a head start. Always, okay. Anyone who's rich always has a head start about anyone else.
You get cash, you can invest, get more in return. That's if you have the mindset for it. If you have
Investment do जाता है.
You get fame, you get brands, you get
money.
deals. Yeah.
But fame से बहुत headache भी तो आता है.
headache भी तो आता है. Just get
Also, if you need to have that many followers, you need to be interesting now.